Wolverton Swimming and Fitness Centre is about to turn one of its biggest costs into a huge competitive advantage. Spirit Energy is installing 586 solar panels, which are going to save the site over £60,000 in the first year alone, while helping it to meet net zero goals and increase the building's value and its EPC rating. The key point is that the new electricity bill plus the finance payments are still lower than their old electricity bill, so it's cash flow positive from year one. To start with, let me talk you through the system that we're installing. Now, this is quite a straightforward one because effectively the building just has one massive pitched roof. These panels are absolutely huge. They're 645 watts. That's much bigger than normal panels. We chose them because in this case, they've enabled us to cover as large a surface area as possible, as cost effectively as possible, which ultimately leads to more power from the roof for less money, which optimizes the investment return for the client. Now, in the first year, this system is expected to generate about 283,000 kilowatt hours of electricity, and roughly 90% of that will be used directly on site because of the pools, heat pumps and gym equipment. It creates a big steady daytime electricity demand. Leisure centres are exactly the kind of building that is perfect for solar. They have long opening hours, use a massive amount of electricity and often have big open, unobstructed roof spaces. Now, at the start of this video, I said that the installation is going to be cash flow positive from year one, but what did I actually mean by that? Well, the really interesting part is how this system is paid for. The Leisure Centre isn't paying for this installation outright. It's paying for it through what's called a hire purchase agreement. That means a third-party funder, in this case a company called SmartEase, which Spirit Energy has partnered with for a while, pays us to install the system, and the Leisure Centre then makes fixed monthly payments for the equipment. The payment term is agreed between the client and the funding partner before the installation, but in this case the term is 7 years. Now, what's so great about this is that the annual payments with interest are actually lower than their current electricity spend. So from year one, the savings on the electricity bill are greater than the finance costs. It's an absolute no-brainer. On screen now, you can see the graph which shows what I mean. The grey bar shows the site's current electricity spend and the forecasted spend over the next 10 years. The green bar shows what the site will be spending on electricity after the solar has been installed. And the orange bar shows the annual payments for the system with interest. In year one alone, the system cuts their electricity bill by around £60,000. And once you factor in the higher purchase payments, the net position is cash flow positive right from the start. Over 20 years, the project is forecasted to deliver returns on investment of around 620%, with cumulative savings of about £1.2 million. SmartEase effectively rents the system back to Wolverton during the term, and at the end of the agreement, they can buy the system outright for a token of £100. So they enjoy decades of very low cost electricity from a fully paid off asset. So let me talk a bit about the installation and the panels and the inverters we've chosen. Why are we using these humongous 645 watt panels that are bigger than our installers? Well, on commercial projects like this, maximizing the return on investment is all about getting the most power per square meter of roof, and bigger panels are one of the most cost-effective ways to do that. When Spirit Energy designs a solar system, one of the first things we look at is how to get the highest possible output from the roof space. 9 times out of 10, that's what gives you the best return on investment. A big part of that is choosing the right solar panel. Broadly, panels fall into 2 categories. You've got jumbo panels and then you've got standard size panels. On more complicated cut-up roofs, you can often make better use of the space with smaller standard panels, but on big open roofs like this, jumbo panels let you cover more of the usable surface area. Because each jumbo panel is physically larger and higher powered, you need fewer of them to cover the same area, which reduces the amount of mounting kit and hardware that is required. The actual overall panel cost is lower too, as the jumbo panels are cheaper per kilowatt than the standard panels. That lowers the overall product cost, so the client ends up getting more power for less money. For a busy public building like this, safety is absolutely critical, and this is one of the reasons why we've specified solar edge inverters with power optimizers on every pair of panels. Solar edge systems include arc fault detection. If the electronics detect an electrical arc on the DC side, they automatically shut down the system to reduce the fire risk. Solar edge optimizers also provide rapid shutdown, dropping string voltages to safe levels when the system or grid is turned off, which is a big benefit for maintenance teams and emergency services working on the array. On top of that, optimizers mean that if one panel is shaded or slightly dirty, it doesn't drag down the whole string. At Spirit Energy, we've been installing solar for over 16 years now, and we only use tried and tested products. We follow strict design standards and carry out thorough testing and commissioning on every project. Our installation teams are in-house, and a few of the members of our own team who coordinate these large projects have been with the company for over 10 years. That way, our clients get a system that not only saves them money, but is engineered from day one to be safe, reliable, and provide a consistent investment return for the next 30 years. But how does the actual installation work? Well, installing panels on a sheet metal roof like this is actually incredibly straightforward. The mounting brackets fix straight to the roof covering, and the panels then sit on top of the mounting brackets. It couldn't be more simple. And all this results in an incredibly quick installation. All the 586 panels with mounting kit and optimizers will be installed within 10 working days. That's it. This is great as it also ensures minimal disruption to the day-to-day operations of the site. From a project management perspective, the key deadline is booking in the switchover well in advance. Basically, we have to temporarily disconnect the electricity supply so that we can connect up the solar installation. In this case, as it's a busy public building, the power off has been booked in months beforehand and scheduled for 10 PM, where it can be carried out with the least disruptions. If you run a company or manage a commercial building, a solar system like this can cut your bills and carbon footprint at the same time. At Spirit Energy, we design and install bespoke solar and battery systems across the UK, and we can provide a free no obligation quotation, including a detailed financial model showing payback, cash flow, and long-term savings for your specific site. We work with finance providers like Smarties, so if you don't want to use your own capital, we can structure projects on a hire purchase or similar plan where the monthly payments are designed to be lower than your current electricity spend. If you'd like to see what solar could do for your building, get in touch with Spirit Energy and send us your roof plans or address, and we'll come back with a tailored design, yield estimate and investment case for your business.